Welcome to Amy Usti Kitchen. Ayan. Sir Joe make bopis, guys. Ang ulam namin for tonight is bopis. Ayan, oh. Ang sarap. Ang bango. Kumukulo-kulo siya. So, I make some bopis made from puso ng baboy. I put some carrots, red pepper, bay leaves, garlic, tomato, lemon, and the pork, pork. Okay, and you put some tomato paste. Ang sarap. You know, can't wait to eat this, guys. It's so delicious. It's Filipino dish. It's a yummy Filipino food. See, aluin natin. Ayan. So good. Hindi pa. Ayan. So good. Yan. It's boiling, guys. Like, you're waiting for until it. Ayan. Sarap naman. Kain tayo, guys. Sarap ng bopis.